Welcome to the video class, children. Good morning to all. I hope you all doing great, isn't it? Yes, this is our grade 2 computer science class, isn't it, children? Yes. Today we are going to see unit 1 part 2 introduction to computers. Yes. In our last class, what did we learn? Yes. This machine is called computer, isn't it? This machine is called computer. Just like other machines, computer also runs on electricity. Yes, computer is an electronic device. Okay, children. And also we saw parts of computer, isn't it? Just like human body, a computer also has different parts which have their own specific functions. The main parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and speaker. Isn't it? Yes. Monitor. Monitor of a computer is like a television. We can watch movies, cartoons, and videos can be seen on the monitors. And CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is called brain of a computer, isn't it? Yes. And then keyboard, you have to press keys on a keypad to type the numbers, isn't it? To type letters and numbers on the computer, we need a keypad. Okay. And then mouse. The mouse is painting device that allows you to point out and click anywhere on the monitor screen. Okay, children. And then speakers. Okay, with speakers the computer can turn into a music system. Okay, children, I hope you all recall this. Shall we move to our today's class? Yes, today we are going to see uses of computer. Now all of you take page number 2 in your computer book. Did you take? Yes. Today we are going to see uses of computer. Okay, children. Yes. Let me see. You know that different machines do different types of works, isn't it? Yes. Similarly, computer is a useful machine. It is used for doing so many tasks. It makes our work easier. Let us see computer uses. Okay. Doing calculations and solving sums. We can do sums and some other calculations on the computer. Playing games. We can play various games on a computer, isn't it? Yes. And then watching movies. A computer can play songs and movies for us, isn't it? Yes. We can watch lots of movies in computer. And then typing text. We can write letters, stories on a computer. In computer, writing means typing. In computer, writing means typing. And then listening to music. Computer can play music, songs, and movies for us. Isn't it, children? Yes, and then draw a picture. We can draw pictures on the computer. We can also color them by using a mouse. With the usage of mouse, we can color the picture. Okay, and places where computers are used. Nowadays, we see computer at many places, isn't it? They are school, hospitals, offices, and home shops. Like this, we can see so many places, isn't it? Yes. And then Now all of you take page number 3 in your computer book. Yes, computers and humans. Computers are different from human beings. They work much faster than human beings. Let us learn what a computer and a human being can do. As you all know that human is a living creature, isn't it, children? Yes. And computer is a non-living thing. It was made by man, isn't it? Yes. So here let us see some differences between human and computer. Okay, shall we see? Yes. A computer does not get tired. Humans get tired. Okay, a computer works continuously day and night, isn't it, children? So, a computer doesn't get any tired, but a man get tired after some time. He needs rest after work. Okay, and then a man having feelings and a computer doesn't have any feelings. Okay, because a man maybe he having a thought about family, work, studying, like that he may have lots of feelings, happy, sad, okay, like that. But a computer doesn't have any feelings. Okay, and then a computer works very fast. Humans cannot work as fast as a computer. Yes, because computer works by electricity, isn't it? Yes. And then humans can take their own decisions. Computer cannot take its own decision. Yes, so children, a computer cannot take his own decisions, but a man can take his own decisions. Children, listen here. Humans do not need orders. Computer need instructions to work. Yes, man never have any order from anyone. He can work by himself because he can think and he can work. But a computer needs some instructions to work. Okay, children? And then a computer does not make any mistake. Humans can make mistakes. Yes, a computer can remember many things and never forgets them. But a man remember things but can even forget them after sometimes. Yes, a man can remember also, but after some time he can also forget. But computer never forget. Isn't it, children? Yes. So only a computer does not make any mistakes, but a human make mistakes. Okay. And then we came to know a computer works continuously, but a human being needs rest after work, gets tired. A computer is fast and does large calculations in few seconds, but a human being is slower than a computer in doing calculations. Okay, and a computer does not have feelings, but a human being has lots of feelings. Okay, and a computer cannot think on its own, but a human being can think on his own. And then a computer cannot take decisions on its own. A human being can take decisions on his own. Okay, children? And then a computer never make any mistakes, but a human being can make mistakes. Okay, a computer will do exactly as asked to do, but a human being may not always do as asked. And then a computer has no intelligence. A human being has intelligence. Okay, and then A computer cannot work without instructions, but a human being can work without instructions. Okay, children. And then we just recall what did we learn in this class. Okay, a computer is an electronic machine. A computer can be used for playing games, solving sums, listening to songs, and making drawings, etc. And computers are used at different places such as banks, hospitals, shops, and schools, etc. Isn't it, children? Yes. It works much faster than a human being. Computers and human beings are different from each other. Yes. This is what we learnt in this class. Isn't it, children? Yes. I hope you all understood this unit. We will meet our next class. Thank you all.